We have another implicit relation on the board, and we're supposed to find again derivative of y with respect to x. So we have to find the derivative of each term in this relation. Okay, so we have derivative of x squared with respect to x plus derivative of y squared with respect to x is equal derivative of constant, because r is constant, with respect to x. Okay, so this is equal. Remember, anytime there is no constant, there is always invisible 1. So I have 1 times the power x 2 minus 1 and derivative of x dx with respect to x. I'm finished with this term. Plus constant 1 times the power 2 y 2 minus 1 and derivative of y with respect to x dy over dx. Okay, I'm using this formula over here. Is equal derivative of constant is equal 0. So I have 1 times 2 is 2 x 2 minus 1 is equal 1. So I'm not going to write it. Dx over dx is equal 1. Also, I'm not going to write it. Plus 1 times 2 is 2. Y. 2 minus 1 is 1. That's why I'm not going to write it. It's going to become invisible. Dy over dx is equal 0. I'm looking for dy over dx. That's why I'm going to take 2x, right, to the other side of the equal sign. So I have 2y dy over dx is equal negative 2x. Divide both sides of the equation by 2y. 2y and 2y will cancel out. And I have dy over dx is equal, 2 and 2 will cancel out, so I have negative x over y. Keep in mind that y is in the denominator, that's why I'm supposed to write that y must be different than 0. And this is my answer to this problem.